Hello everyone, my name is Avirup. Today I'm going to show you a topic in Python. It's called the string indexing. It is a very important topic in Python because you can use the indexing concept in string, in list, in tuple, and in many section. Okay, when lots of people are getting confused about two stuffs. One is called string indexing and second one is called string slicing. So I'm going to cover each and everything. So first of all, I'm taking a variable. If you guys know key in case of Python, you don't need to mention any data type, so I can directly enter equal to python, so it's a string. Now I can access the each and every letter using a simple number. That means if I numbering it, so p is 0, y is 1, and t is 2, and so on going on. Then how to access the 11 by 1? So you can use a and a third bracket. You can put 0. 0 means the first position. A of 0 is saying p, so I can access only the p using this part, and it is called the string indexing. If I want to use a of 1, it is saying it is y, and so on. If I write a5, it is n, and if I write a6, it's an error because the string index is out of range. And this type of indexing is called the forward indexing because the number is getting positive 1 2 3 4 and all. And you can use the backward indexing also, like you can use the -1 -2 and all. That means we are accessing the element from the backside. Like a of -1, it is saying it is n, and same like that, a of -2 will be o. So that means the indexing is nothing but it's just a simple position. So I can access the p using a of 0 and using a of -6, because either you can use the forward indexing a of 0 p, otherwise you can use the backward indexing a of -6. It is also a p. Same like that, I can access the n using a of 5 and a of -1. So there is a two option available, you can use any of them. So this part is called the string indexing. Basically it is called a indexing. That means we can access the values using a index number. Okay, and this indexing will be happening is only a string, list, and tuple. Number and dictionary will not be having the string, I mean the indexing properties. So indexing is just a simple number. Now the second one is called the string slicing. The slicing is happening is only in the string. Sometimes the list is also support the slicing, so there is a different topic. Now what is the string slicing means? So I have the python string. Now I want to cut the string, like I want to print only y, t, and h, this one. So this is my job. So then how can I do that? So then you have to write a first bracket, sorry, third bracket. Then you have to pass two parameter. One is called the start point and the end point. And it is called the start index and end index. So I'm starting the string from 1 because a of 1 is y, because a of 1 is y, and you have to put a colon. Then you have to pass the end indexing. So if I count, if I want to print the y, t, and h, then p is 0, y is 1, is 2, and 3. So h is 3. So I'm writing 3, a colon 3. That means from the python string I want to access the y, t, h, this part. It is called the slicing. Basically I am slicing the string. Enter. But only y and t is coming, then no h, because in case of slicing you have to put at least, you have to put +1. That means if you want to access the h1, then you have to pass the number of index +1. That means when I'm going to use a colon 3, it will be accessing from 1 to 2. Okay, it will be not accessing the 3 1. So if I want to access the third element, so I have to use a colon 4. So this is a very important stuff. You have to write at least +1 for accessing the previous one. Look, now it is YTH is coming. So it is called the string slicing. So basically the indexing is just a simple number to accessing the an element, and slicing, if you want to slice a cut a string, then you can use this property using a colon. The first one is the start point and last one is the end point. And one important thing, the start point or the start indexing should be lower than the end indexing. If I reverse it, if I write 4 colon 1, it won't be working. because string slicing only is happening when the start indexing is lower than the end indexing. Okay, and definitely you can use the backward indexing too, but you have to maintain the pattern key. Start index should be lower than end index. So I'm writing -1 colon -6, sorry, colon -6. So in case of minus stuff, 1 is greater than -6. I mean -1 is greater than -6. Now it is not happening. But if I reverse it, -6 colon -1 again is happening, is getting the entire string. I can again use like -6 colon -3 is coming pyt. So this is about the string indexing and string slicing. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share and comment. Thank you.